Hello everyone, welcome to our class. This is our class second of the chapter surface area and volume. So let's get start this class. This class is mainly based upon the surface area of a sphere. In our first class we have studied about the surface area of a cone. In this class we have mainly studied about the sphere. What is sphere, why is sphere, its area, its surface area, total surface area, its diameter and radius. So let's make first of all a diagram of a sphere. So sphere is a 3D figure of a circle. When we make a circle, it is a 2D figure because we cannot hold the circle. But when we talk about the sphere, so we can easily hold the what is an sphere, because sphere has a thickness which can put the thickness only. But in the name of circle is only a 2D figure that can be drawn on the paper. So what is a sphere? So first of all, the biggest line that crosses from one to another or passes from the center is, that point is known as center, and the line is known as diameter. That biggest line is known as diameter and its half of it called radius, and full diameter is also in this chapter is known as height of the sphere. Means in this chapter we can name the diameter with another name, that is height of the sphere. So first of all, what is an sphere? So a sphere is a three-dimensional solid having a round shape just like a circle. What? A sphere is a three-dimensional solid having a round shape, means the shape of a circle, but just like a circle, means having a shape of a circle, but it is a 3D figure, that we can say that it is only a what? It is only a what? Just a circle. Now objects like, there are some example of it, that is objects like football, volleyball and throw ball, means any type of ball, we can actually say that any type of ball, etc. are the examples of sphere. We can also say any type of ball that is in a shape of a circle, like any type of ball that is in a shape of a circle. Understand? Now we are going to study about the definitions of it, that is what is surface area of a sphere. So the surface area of a sphere is defined as the region covered by its outer surface in three-dimensional space. What we have understand? We have understand the surface area of a sphere is defined as the region covered by its outer surface in a three-dimensional shape. So, when we learn about the formula, so the formula of surface area is that is 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of a circle. Understand? Now, next one is for any three-dimensional figure, shapes, the area of the object can be categorized into three types. They are: first one is curved surface area. Next one is lateral surface area. Next one is last, that is total surface area. So, now we are going to study about these definitions. That is, first one is curved surface area. That is, the curved surface area is the area of all the curved regions of the solid. Understand what? It is the curved region of all the curved region of the solid. Any solid figure that has a curved, then it is known as the curved surface area. The next one is lateral surface area. So, the lateral surface area is the area of all the regions except bases, that is top and bottom. Means it has taken all the area except the top and bottom area. It is of any shape. Doesn't it means it applied on the spheres only. It can apply on the circles, it can apply on the cylinders, it can apply on the cone. The lateral surface area is all the area except the top and the bottom. Next and the last is, that is total surface area. So, the total surface area is the area of all the sides top and bottom the solid object. What? It is the area of all the sides, means total means what? It is of total. So it concludes all the area, that is top, bottom, behind, back, any area, lateral surface area, and the curved surface area, as well as the top, as well as the bottom, every area. So it is TSA is equals to curved surface area plus lateral surface area. Okay, that is 4 pi r square. Understand? Now we are going to do some questions of it. That is, first of all, the question is, calculate the curved surface area of a sphere having radius equals to 3.5 centimeter. Take pi, here the value of pi is given, that is 22/7, you have to put in the question. So the solution is, what we have got? We have got that the radius is 3.5 centimeter, while the curved surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 pi r square, because a sphere has same area. When we talk about curved surface area, when we talk about total surface area, when we talk about lateral surface area, it has all the means same, that is 4 pi r square. Now you have to put the value of 4, that is pi, that is 422/7, and the value of r, that is 3.5 and 3.5. Now solve it. 4 into 22/7 into 3.35, and that is 35. We have removed the decimal and put it in the bottom in the form of tens. So it is cut by 5 times, it is cut by 2 times, it is cut by 11 times. Now next one is, it is cut by 7 5 35, and 7 2 5 7 35, and the 5 2 2, and that is 2. So overall we get 2 into 11 into 7, that is 154 centimeter square. Understand what? This numerical, which it is asked only the curved surface area of a sphere having radius equals to 3.5 centimeter. Understand? Now the next question is simply a little bit calculative, but a very easy question, that is, calculate the cost required to paint a football which is in the shape of a sphere having a radius 7 centimeter. If the painting cost of football is 2.5 rupees square centimeter, take pi is equal to 22/7. Means you have to paint the ball in the means the cost of it is 2.5 per square centimeter. So first of all you have to find the total surface area of it. So because we have to paint the ball all over it. So for all over it we have to find the total surface area. So the total surface area, that is 4 pi r square, 4 into 22/7, and r, that is given 7 into 7. So what we get? We get overall we get how much area? That is 616 centimeter square. So the cost of painting, that is 2.5 centimeter square. So 2.5 into 616, that is rupees 1540. This is your final answer. So this much is related to your class 2nd, that is the surface area of a sphere. So in this class 2nd of a chapter, that is area and volumes, so we have read about the area of the sphere. In this we have learned about the curved surface area, we have learned about the lateral surface area, we have learned about the total surface area, as well as we do few numericals of it that are very important and related to this topic only. So let you meet you soon in our 3rd class. So this class is very important because it includes the area part, and the next class is mainly related to which? That is volume class. That class is mainly related to your volume part, that is volume of the right circular cone. So in our 3rd class we have studies about the volume of the right circular cone. So this much is your enough for this 2nd class. Meet you soon in our 3rd class. Thank you so much. Thank you.